Hey guys, thank you for joining me here at Teltran 1, and today we're going to be looking at the Titan's Return, Voyager class, Sentinel Prime, and Infinitus. And here he is. As you can recall, I did a video earlier about Astro Train, and this is basically the same mold as Astro Train, just a different paint scheme. The only difference is the joints are a lot tighter in the Astro Train. It's a bit loose on this guy, especially on the hips, and sometimes the knees and the elbow, especially the elbow. This one's very, very loose. Yep. He's well detailed. It's got all the nice panels in here. Only thing is, I don't really care that much about the orange, red, and yellow color scheme. I think it makes this guy a little too psychedelic. If you, yeah. And the gray doesn't really do much. Actually, it kind of does help tone it down a bit, but I wish it had a bit more gray in it, especially in the face. The face, it doesn't really stand out for me. It just kind of blends in there like a blob. But yeah, overall, yeah, like I said, it's the exact same figure as Astro Train. The guns are painted gunmetal. They're the exact same guns. And there it is. Okay, so much like Astro Train, the transformation is very similar. From his robot mode, it's actually much easier to go from robot mode into his shuttle mode. Okay, why don't we do just that? Let's remove Infinitus first. There we go. Let's actually take a closer look at him. There's the head sculpt. And there's Infinitus. Set him aside. From here, just stir the leg inside out. Point out his toes. Flip these panels up. Join his legs together. Hold down his hands. Pull these panels down. This wing locks into the arm. There you go. Oh, by the way, one thing I failed to notice. See this tab right there in the wing? Make sure you tuck it inside like that, then push it down. Because otherwise you won't have a flush finish on his transformation. There's a shuttle mode. And he suffers from the same problem as Astro Train when his feet really just refuses to stay put together. Really had to force that down. Okay, let's put the wings. It's got a ton of big holes in here. Just put that inside. Put that there. Cockpit opens up. Let's pull this wings down. Let's put Infinitus inside. Lock him up. There you have it. It's a very nice shuttle mode. Although the gray still feels a little too washed against all of this orange, especially in in this shuttle mode. It's, yeah. Wish there is more gray or probably even silver. The silver actually works really nice in there. Oh, by the way, one crucial note of difference between Astro Train and Sentinel Prime is on the Astro Train, the wheels aren't painted silver. These are, which is a nice extra detail in this piece, which I wish Astro Train had. There we go. Now let's go to his train mode. Pull out the guns, flip these up, unlock the wings. Okay, stuck in there. There we go. Flip it up, unlock him, pull him up, jet him to the side. Now the arms, lift them up, and let's split the legs, and then splay them out. I'll bring this up first. There we go. See, it's tab of the wing, tab's right there in the body. Same thing on this side. See these guns. And there you have it. That's his train mode. Oh wait, forgot one thing. Lift this up, flip the foot out. There's the front of the train. There's the back. Well, yeah. There you have it. Titan's Train, Voyager class, Sentinel Prime. Okay. Don't forget to check out my other videos, Astro Train and Highbrow, and give me a like. Click subscribe, share. I really would appreciate it. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good day.